So this is the stage I got to last time. The wall's up. We're just gonna get a cover, probably a cloth cover with some sort of design across the doorway, so you got storage there. The vlogging room here, got to clean up the barber's chair, that'll go. So today I'm gonna have to tidy this lot up, try and get a couple of these chairs moved. Yeah, that's today's task. So I've managed to get one of these sets of seats up, extended the base, but the other side was bolted onto the sides of the coach, so I've had to make a complete new foot up, joined it as well. So yeah, oh, nice and comfy. Now, I thought I was going to leave this shelving up, but I keep bashing my head against it, so I'm going to have to take it away. So that gives me another job to re-site all this, so I'm going to have to make storage up here. There you go, sits up there, a bit saggy here, so got one of the old seat belts. Gonna fix that up there and use that. Well, there you go. make use of everything in the bus, hold the middle up, and then drop it down to take it out. Right, that's the partition wall done now, and I set up a table. We're going to go through all the spare parts we got here, label them up, price them up, either stick them on the page or there's an auto jumble coming up, so we'll get them on there. But yeah, parts to sort now. So that's all the parts, restacked, relisted, all going up on eBay. I may put up a list on the I might put a list on the community page on Chequered Flag as well. But yeah, mainly BMW, couple of Triumph, couple of Harley and Kawasaki, I think, parts. But yeah, alright.